everybody, welcome back. It is your Natural Nail Guru and we have another awesome swatch collection today. It is summertime, so that means lots of colors are coming out. Today we're going to be swatching Beetles Jelly Crystal Gel Nail Polish Set. There are 6 colors in this collection. They are jelly colors, which means they are colorful, but they are also sheer, completely see-through. Some might know it as glass nails. So let's get to the swatching. Before we do, if you guys want to be up to date with the most thorough nail product reviews, swatches, and all the tips you need to have beautiful, long, healthy nails and the longest lasting manicures, then you know what you need to do. Subscribe. Make sure that you got your notifications on so you're not missing. Make sure you're sharing with all your nail enthusiasts, whether they are DIY or professional. I promise I got info that they want to know. So thank you so much for those who are already subscribed. I appreciate it. Let's not waste any more time and get to these swatches. So this first color that we are going to swatch, as always, Beetles does not have names. They have numbers. This one is 762. It is a green. Oh yeah, that one looks cool. Looks a little neon-y. Really nice. Let's polish. Now remember, these are jelly colors, which means that they are completely see-through, as opposed to being like marshmallowy, which is kind of like a little bit milky. There we have first coat. I love how even Beetles colors always polish. The consistency is always on point. I love it. It is super cute. All right, let's finish this one up with another coat. And here we have it all done. Really cute green. It polishes really nice and even. Really cute. Let's check out the next one. So this one is number 766. We have purple. I don't know if I already said it, but we have 6 colors in this collection. And these aren't fully the mini bottles, but they're not full size bottles either. These are about half, so 7.3 milliliters. Oh, that's a nice intense purple. Got a little pelito in there, excuse me. Super cute purple. Really nice and clear. That's one coat. Look how nice and even it coats. Let's check this one out with the second coat. And here we have it. Beautiful purple. 2 coats. Super cute color. Love it. Let's check out the next one. Ooh, this one is 765. It's looking orange. Oh yeah. That's an orange. Of course, beautiful consistency, really nice. Just want to make sure I apply it evenly. Yeah, that's looking good. Super cute purple. I mean, super cute orange. Let's check this one out with 2 coats. And here we go, 2 coats of orange. This one's really cute. Look at that even consistency. I love their polishes. Really cute. Let's get on to the next one. Ooh, this one I'm excited for. It's looking yellow. 764. I love yellows. Look at this, super cute. This one's also a Beetles one from their Euphoria collection, which by far is my favorite. So let's check out 764. Oh yeah, that is a nice yellow. Very nice. Looking super cute. Too much over there. Oh yeah, that one's really cute. We can have some fun with this one. Love it. All right, let's get that second coat on there. So here we go, 2 coats. Beautiful color. I'm loving this one. It's probably my favorite one so far. But I love yellows, especially neons. Oh, I love it. All right, let's check out the next one. Next up, we have number 761. Blue is up. Nice blue. Ooh, that one's really pretty. I love that it's such a rich pigmented color, but you could still see right through it. Nice formula. Let's finish this one up. A lovely, lovely, nice deep blue, really. Nice and glassy. Love it. All right, let's check out the last color in the collection. And we've pretty much gone through the rainbow, so you already know we got pink left. This one is number 763. Let's check you out, Pinky. Ooh, that's a cute pink. Yes. That one is nice. Super cute glass pink. I am loving this jelly color. All right, let's finish this one up with the second coat. And here we have it. A beautiful, beautiful pink. Really nice and glass. All consistency for the 6 colors across the board, on point, but when are they not with the Beetles? Beetles is just an awesome brand. I really love it. Super cute. Now, we're not just going to end there with just these 6 swatches, because these are jellies. So I want to show you a couple different things you can do with jellies since they are so clear. So first and foremost, when you have a jelly color and you put white under it, boom, let me compare it. Hold on. Is this my yellow? This is the jelly, just clear. And this is with 1 even coat of a chalk white color. And then I put 2 coats of the yellow. This is a perfect neon yellow. It has such great consistency, really, really nice ease of application. You definitely want to make sure that the white coat that you're putting underneath is not streaky, especially since I only put 1 coat. I want to get a nice, good coverage just on 1 coat because I don't want it to look like I layered up a bunch of coats to make this yellow this way. So you definitely want to make sure that it's a nice, even coat of white, and you want to use a chalk white because it's already really bright and it's going to make that color pop a lot. So there goes the difference. Any of those color under a white, you're going to get a really nice solid. I'm sure it'll look super cute under the pink too. Let me show you what else is so amazing about the jellies. Look how cool that looks. Ah, how cute is that? So all I did here is I did a base coat just so I can get a little sticky under there. I cured it for like a second or two just so it wasn't so wet. And then I just got a brush with glitter and just kind of ombrayed it on there. And then I go ahead and I pat the glitter down with my fingers so that we don't have little things sticking up out of it. I finished curing the base coat so it's nice and, you know, settled in there. And then I went ahead and just put 2 coats of the sheer yellow, or the jelly yellow, excuse me. Look how cool that looks. And you can do this with any kind of glitter, foils. You can even draw stuff under there, which is the next nail. So here's cute little encapsulated jelly glitter. And look how cute it looks. This one I just did some real quick thunderbolts and I put 2 coats of the yellow on top. I love using white because obviously it's gonna pop a lot, but you can totally use different neons. You can use black. With this color, I just felt the white was where it needed to be. Actually, y'all, we are not done yet because I promised you a matte look at every collection I swatch. So let's do one more glossy look and then let's reveal the matte. Look how cool matte looks with these jelly colors. It's literally like frosted glass, and I'm loving that. Although these are really see-through jelly colors, the pigmentation and the vibrance of these colors is on point. But I mean, you guys have seen everything I reviewed from Beetles. I'm not surprised at all. They have yet to disappoint. Their colors, their consistency, it is super on point. I'd love to hear from you guys in a comment down below whether or not you're feeling that matte or we're feeling the glossy, or we're feeling both, because we could totally do both. I love mixing matte and glossy. So here's a final little recap of the beautiful 6 colors that were included in the set and some really fun ways that you can use those jellies. How cute, right? I would totally love to see how creative you guys can get with jellies. If you love playing with jelly colors and you've done some really cool art, definitely tag me, follow me on IG if you're not already. I definitely love getting involved with all of you guys out there and getting some feedback and seeing what awesome stuff you create, especially anything that inspired you from one of the videos that I've done. I just love hearing about that. So definitely make sure that you guys are on my IG, hit me up. I would love to see what you're creating this summer. If you have any questions on the Beetles jelly collection, let me know. I will make sure to have the link included down below. And remember, use my code anytime you shop the Beetles website so you can save yourself a couple of extra bucks. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I look forward to swatching some more colors with you soon. Bye.